Hi guys, welcome to the official Halloween candy taste test. So, first we have gummy worms. Please wait while I get this open. Okay, got this gummy worms open. Now let's try it. So I'll be rating it from 1 star to 5 star. Sorry, I just had retainers in. Okay, Dracula retainers. Okay, let's try this. Five out of 5. Okay, so let's move on to the next thing. So that is gonna be this. I don't know what it's called, but who cares? It is called pumpkin. It's called pumpkin chocolate. I just looked it up. Okay, honestly. Ew. 1 out of 10. I mean, 1 out of 5. So guys, we're going to move on to our next candy, which is called Bloody Bites. So basically, it says oozing candy blood bag. Oh my gosh. What in the world? We'll be right back when I open this. Okay guys, I got it open. Not sure what I think of this. You know what? I'm going to rate this a 4 out of 5. This is really good. But the reason I rated it a 4 is because it kind of has a mushy texture to it. It's kind of weird. Because, like, it's kind of hard. Like, it's not hard, but, like, it's mushy. And, like... Okay, so let's get on to the next candy, which would be Reese's Pieces! Oh my gosh, is this right? Is this the right... I am shook. Okay. I love these. Okay, so I'm already gonna rate this a 5 out of 5. Can I rate this a 20,000 out of 5? Because I want to. So good. I edit this out because I'm gonna eat 1,000. Excuse me. Gimme! It's recording. Technical difficulties. Let's move on to the next candy. Okay, so the next candy will be Reese's stuffed with Reese's Pieces. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna get this all over my hands. But I don't care, it's yummy. Mmm. So guys, this is stuffed with Reese's Pieces. There's a yellow one right there. But yeah, I'm rating that at 5 out of 5. So let's move on to the next candy. So the next kind of candy, like the next candy is a different kind of gummy worms.
It's already been.
So this is another kind of gummy worm. Stop! This is a thinner kind of gummy worms. So
It's also been bitten off. You literally grabbed the same.
I grabbed the wrong thing. So let's move on to the next candy. Okay, so the next candy is going to be another type of gummy worm. So we're going to dig deep. Sorry about that. We died of laughter because I took the wrong kind of gummy worm. Okay, so this one is slightly more stretchy, and that is really stretchy. I didn't do it. Okay, let's try this. What? Okay. I'll rate this a 2 out of 5. Why I put a 2 is the creator put effort into it. So I will give that to them. Okay, so next we're trying another kind of Halloween candy. It has the same little wrapper thing. Okay, so this one has nuts in it. What? Okay. I am honestly scared. Motherfucker. Ew. Hold on. Just gonna speed to the kitchen for a drink because this is the school thing. Hello, people. I'm back. That was horrible. I'm gonna rate that a 1 out of 5. Put effort into it. I would have given it a 0, literally a 0.
Didn't even.
Well, guys, that's going to be the end of today's taste test of Halloween candy. Comment down below if you want me to do more taste tests. So